Now, what's fun, if you've got the time and the money, okay, is to do a container like this. So once again, it's fun finding these neat containers that are colorful. Kids love color, of course. So this one here is going to be plenty big enough for 3 small herb seedlings. So once again, we're going to add a little bit of soil at the bottom, and remember, these guys all have drainage. The one thing that herbs hate, absolutely hate, is waterlogged soil. So if you're using a pot that doesn't have a hole in the bottom, don't. You will find almost for sure that they are going to die. Okay, most herbs, especially in the mint family that we're talking about, they come from the Mediterranean, so they like nice dry soils, lots of nice fog sometimes, but they don't like wet soil. So let's take our lavender. Remember our lavender? Okay, so we're gonna squish that container. Squish, 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 squish. Really loosen the roots. Put your hands in here, and out he comes. And by this time, of course, he's kind of needing a little bit of roughage too, just like the mint plant here. Okay, so rough him out and just place him at the back. Okay, herbs don't mind being crowded. It's kind of nice. Okay, so we're going to put him at the back. And now we have our lemon thyme. And our lemon thyme is such a fun one. I do love the fact that it's got that lovely color. It's variegated, meaning that there's 2 colors, green plus either white or gold. And it spreads and spills, grows lots, attracts the bees. Squish, squish. All right, see, you got to really tell them to do this, okay? All right, now he's falling out. Yay. Okay. So, oh boy, this guy here, see how his roots are like this? So now you got to tell the child to stick their finger in here and to just pull. And sometimes you got to help them take some of these roots off because they're too much of a root. And you can actually take the whole thing right off. Okay, doesn't hurt the plant. Okay, and we're going to put him in here. Okay, now just for fun, we're going to take our coriander, cilantro, depends on what you want to call him, and we're going to tuck him in here. Now, cilantro is not a long-lived one, but the fun part is you can, once you've eaten this guy, you can have s'mores. You've got another one growing, ha-ha, and you can put him in here. Now, we need more soil, right? So the little kids are going to use their trowels, or the big kids if they want to, and you're going to put a whole bunch of soil around the plants, like this. You can tell them to keep putting their fingers in with this while they're doing this, because now the smells are getting onto their hands and they're feeling so happy. Okay. There we go. Let's lose this guy here. And remember, go bang, 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 bang. Okay? Bang, 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 bang. You want to make sure that the soil gets all the way down. Don't want any holes, okay? And sometimes what you need to do is put your fingers on the plants and squish them in a little bit. There, that looks happy. Okay, so now you've got 3 herbs in one container that you can use. Plus, this guy, because he's not going to live so long, you can grow another one to pop in his place. And what do we do next? We find our marker that we just made, and we put it in here, because that's going to remind us that they need to be in the sun, they need lots of water, they need some fertilizer, and we got to eat them lots. Oh, what do we got to do next? We got to water. Okay, so, why not put a sunflower seed in the middle? Maybe I should have done that to begin with. But you can get a little sunflower. And these ones are the teddy bear sunflowers, so they're small. And what you're gonna do is you're gonna go in between and just put them in the middle and stick them in there. And then we're gonna get a sunflower coming out the middle just for fun.